Hello everybody, I know it's been a real long time since I revisited this game, but it's Bat Attack. Let's see what I had where I left off. Alright, you had the Husky 10 logo. What else? Oh, I did a lot on this game so far. There's the remastered edition or the original. Let's play the original. Alright, replay. Version. Oh, and I had my own soundtrack? Alright, let's see what else we have. Where I left off. It's tough trying to get back to something you haven't finished. So, okay, cutscene. Replay. Okay, for some reason I can't get Damn it. Okay. Oh. Okay, there we go. I don't know how much we had to get there. Oh. Okay, Okay, there we go. And then go for the high score. Okay, so what I found out was, okay, remastered 5. We gotta make one more. We're going to duplicate number 5. Alright, sorry. Duplicate. Move down. Move down. And we're going to rename it. We're going to rename it Boss Scene. Boss. Alright, and we're going to say in this one, we are going to change. Okay, we're going to change the bat spawner. Instead of saying 0.5 seconds, we're going to say 10 seconds. Let's see what that does. Oh, wait, we gotta keep it at 2.5. There we go. It's looking good. We want to add a new thing, which is when the variable, I think it's a global variable, score equals 100, hit OK. We want to change the scene to boss 6. Let's go to the boss scene. We're going to change one thing, which is the bat spawn. We're going to have the bat spawn in every 5 seconds. Alright, now what we need is to add the boss. So go to sprites. This is kind of part tutorial. Follow along if you want to learn how to make a simple boss fight. So I'm going to call this boss. Hit apply. I'm going to add I'm going to add a animation. Okay, why did I do that? I'm gonna go to, where did I save it? Alright. Alright, some of these aren't, so I'm gonna, okay, go to the enemy. I'm gonna Alright, let me see if I can find the files, because they should have it. There we go. Hit open, hit apply, and we're going to insert our boss. I'm not gonna add a cutscene. I'm gonna add a behavior. I'm gonna add a new one. I'm going to add the sign behavior. I'm gonna add that to this. I'm gonna say 200 with a speed of 60. Now we want to loop the animation. And we have our boss. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna make the bat spawn in a little bit more. Now here's where it's gonna get a little tricky. So I'm gonna add a new group. I'm gonna call it Boss Fire or Boss Weapon. Hit OK, and I'm gonna go here and create the boss weapon, which is pretty much something for it to shoot. So I'm gonna call it Boss Weapon. I'm gonna add an animation. I'm gonna make it red. Save. Actually, I am going to edit. I'm just gonna draw a red square. Save. Edit collision mask. We're gonna edit the collision mask. I'm gonna use a custom mask. Hit close and apply, and we have our boss weapon. So I'm gonna start a scene timer. So type in scene timer, value of the scene timer. I'm gonna say weapon. No, I'm gonna have it go every 3 seconds. I'm gonna call it weapon spawn. Don't give it your things don't make it too long, because you gotta remember that. I'm going to add an action where I'm going to say I'm gonna create the object at boss dot x and boss dot y. Hit OK, and then I am going to, let's see, what did I do with the bats? What did I do with the bats? Oh, I reset the scene timer. So let's reset the scene timer. I'm gonna say the same thing, weapon. Hit OK. Make sure it's spelled the same. And then I'm gonna add force. I'm gonna copy the bat force, the bat spawn force, and I'm gonna paste it. And okay, for some reason it's not. I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna say plus 50. Or 60. Alright. This is just to get it centered. Alright, I'm gonna say 70. Alright, that's a little better. I'm gonna say 80. What I'm doing is I'm centering it on the bat, so that way it comes from the middle of the bat. There we go. That's better. I'm gonna also change the speed to 500 and change the spawn to 2. To make it harder. Now I'm gonna say when the player is in collision with the boss weapon, I'm gonna copy the game over. This game over, move down. I'm gonna rename it boss. I'm gonna rename it game over 6. And I'm gonna change the scene to boss 6 to game over 6. Hit OK. So this is a simple boss. So we're gonna also add health to our boss. So I'm gonna create a scene variable. I'm gonna add one and I'm gonna say boss health. I'm gonna set it to 100. Hit apply. I'm gonna add a text. I'm gonna call it health. I'm gonna go with the same font I've been using. I'm gonna color it red. Hit apply. I'm gonna put it at the top of the screen. We are going to modify the text. Equals to, we're going to say text of a scene variable. Hit apply. I'm gonna say, where I'm gonna put in quotation marks, boss health. Always add that plus. Hit OK, and it should show the boss health. Now I'm going to move this way. Try to center it. There we go. Now we're going to say when the boss, when the player bullet is in collision with the boss, we're going to subtract 10. Minus 10. Okay, we're also going to add a trigger once, so that way the player has to hit it multiple times. So let's see what we got. We're going to do one more thing. We're going to delete the bullet. Hit OK. And we're going to add a sound, so I'm going to say play a sound. Let's have it play an explosion. gonna set the sound volume to 40. Okay, I'm gonna go through it and actually set all the sound to 40. Alright, all that's 40. You know what, I might as well just leave it. There we go. And but it's no fun if the boss just can get negative health. So we have to come up with an ending. I'm not going to reveal the ending now. I'm going to save it. And we have a playable boss battle. When the boss reaches a certain thing of health, we're going to say 0. We're going to roll the credits. Actually, I'm going to go to here. I'm going to open up PowerPoint or any video editor. I'm going to layout blank. I'm actually going to just have it end with credits. I'm not going to have an end scene. I'm going to color it. I'm going to I'm going to insert a picture. Alright, desktop. Hit insert. I'm going to insert this image. And I'm going to insert text, so I'm gonna say was created. First off, I'm going to change the color to red. I'm gonna go down to, let me see if I have the font installed. There it is. Alright, I'm gonna have it go this way and that way. I'm gonna have a transition. I'm gonna have it fade in. I'm gonna have a new slide. I'm going to say thank you for playing. Okay, I'm also going to center this. Okay, I'm gonna say also I'm going to change the transition. So let's test it out. Alright, and show, there we go. I can't press escape because it would end the thing. So save as, I'm going to save it, desktop. I'm gonna save it as MP4 video. I'm gonna say credits, hit save, and it's converting. There's a lot I need to do with this game before it is released. So I'm going to add a new scene, move up. I'm going to move it up. I'm going to rename it credits. Okay, so I added a credit scene, and I'm currently practically done with the game. I just gotta edit some stuff. For instance, I got this to do. I'm pretty sure there's more music than just what I have. I wanna edit the originality. I wanna say plus. I wanna move it a little bit. Okay, negative. Nope, that didn't work. That's still not working. So let's say 20. No, let's get rid of the negative. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to center it. I'm trying to center the bullet. I don't want to be centered. Let's see what happens when we say negative 20. Right now I'm just trying to tidy up a bit. Let me see. Nope, negative 20 will work. I'm gonna say 10. A little better. Let's try 7. There we go. It's a lot better. I did want to add a third mode, but I don't think so. You got a play button, you got a quit button. Either I don't know if I want to add more music. I kind of think the music is fine, in my opinion, even though it does sound trashy. I'm just gonna do some editing off camera, if that's okay with everybody who's been following this devlog. This is all the scenes we have made, and just to give you a little taste, this is all the code. There is a lot of code. 1, 2. Oh man, I'm not even gonna count it. There's a lot. If anyone's got any suggestions on how to make the game better, I will upload. I want to try to upload gameplay of the game so far. I might put this on Steam. I do have one thing I want to say. I'm on Instagram. I'm posting. I post random stuff on there. Mainly game images. So if you want to follow me on Instagram, I will leave a link in the description. It's Husky10Official. I'm actually going to change the name to Jonathan Sparrow. It. Anyway, if you want, you can follow me on here. I post random stuff, like, sometimes I post images of random games. It's been a long time, though, since I posted. I mean, when was the last post? July 24th. I'm not as active on Instagram as I could be. This is my motto. But I will share the Instagram address along with my website and my itch.io. Also, Secret Saturday, I missed Saturday because I had some stuff going on. I was actually in Chicago, so I couldn't post any Secret Saturday. But I want to tell you, I am working on some stuff. I'm gonna try to make, like I said, like I want to do, I want to make some better games. I want to make games that look better, that people would actually want to play and download. So for now, you're gonna have to stick with what I got. So thank you for following me. I might change some stuff, but anyway, here's my logo and all that. So I'm gonna leave it right here. Tell your friends about Husky 10. Please subscribe if you haven't. And I will watch you, and I will see you in the next video.